In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your text font style in Google Slides. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so to change your text font style, it is quite simple. Just head over to the text that you want to change the style and then highlight the text. Once you're done, head over to this font option and you can see if I click on the down arrow, it will display the current font that I'm using. Now down here you can see quite a number of font styles that we can add. Go ahead and choose any from them. So if I choose, for instance, Georgia, you can see the text font style has been changed. Now you can go ahead and also change the font style on the other text to your preferred font style. So that's how you can change font style on your text in Google Slides. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.